Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, paki-like and subscribe na lang. So ngayon, nandito kami sa Mansaya Elementary School. Mamimigay ng gift sa mga bata. So, let's go!
My Vietnamese and now residing in Canada. They are here to share their blessings, kindness, and generosity with our learners. Are you excited? Excited na nakadawat?
You guys should help.
Please have a seat. Requesting Ma'am Colleen. Ma'am Colleen,
Rango Mike,
music please.
he's the man.
It's a song. Music.
This is the old kid. Look at the Canadian girl in there. You're the...
Kami lima. Oo, lima ka. Tapos sila naman dito yun sa.
By the way, they are the Moster family from Mainit. Allow me to call them but one by one para atong mailahan sila man. We have here Ma'am Rosalie Moster Tadla, a round of applause. Ma'am Alona Moster Gray. Ma'am Churchill Moster Hildebrand. Ma'am Annalo Moster Taber and family. Ma'am Maricel Moster and her family. Just a quick message. Why napili? Ano ang atong school naman ang napili? Because according to Ma'am Biani, she was the classmate way back from high school of Ma'am Rosalie Moster Tadla. That is why nag-offer sila, nag-share sila sa kailang blessings with our learners of Mansayaw Elementary School. To formally welcome them, let us call on our school head, Mr. Jose Nicolas Timoleta, to give a few words of welcome. A round of applause, please.
Sikula.
God is good all the time. This is my first time na naka-experience natin din na malupaton sa activity, no? Na jaway pa dyan ako sa mga kasilinganan. We have neighbors na kind-hearted, no? I was young this morning seeing Danny, no? We were friends when we were in high school.
In high school, yeah.
Pero ahit na ko na 1 year sa iban ba dyan sa grupo, no? So, of all the scholars in Mainit, we are the luckiest, no? Kay Sildam happens na mahatagan kita ng gift. Last December 3, walo pa to, we received gift packs from Lourdes Learning Center. And then, pagani mag 2 weeks, another blessing na sa hindi sa ato. Palakpak na rin ito.
Kung man yung mga palakpak na doon. Sabihan ka doon natin hindi ni-focus. Kay
My greetings to our visitors. I cannot enumerate you one by one, no? Especially sa patong Foster family, Tadla family, no? Ato sila palakpakan ito. Hinay man, hinay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are very much grateful for this opportunity and then for this day. Mapasalamat kita. Then we will also pray for them. Anytime they are going back and forth here in Philippines, then anato mahihatag sa ila, anato prayer ng safe travel. No? So, amoy ato mahihatag down us in return. So once again, thank you very much and good morning.
Thank you, sir. At this point, we invite Mrs. Rosalie Moster Tadla to say a few words. A round of applause.
Sorry ka dito sa ko ni mahibayo kung mang pa ako nakasulti din eh. So but anyway, salamat sa pag-welcome sa amo dire. And Mas manood ko na kita. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. To express our gratitude, let us
Ikaw naman ba sabihin niya?
thank you.
Hidpit sir ba?
Thank you.
Oo.
Ang babaitin niyo. Thank you. Are you ready? Okay, 4, 3, 2, go! Thank you. Okay, Ma'am Yani.
Take over yan.
Okay. I didn't expect na, aside from the food pack, which is from Jollibee, na may another gift packs pa ba dyan? So, una bagan i-distribute ang
Food. Food.
pagkaon. Later na ang iban. So, priority ang mga bata. Although naglain ako ng 10 for the BODs, pero later na dyan. Okay? So, unaan food packs. I mean, atong Jollibee. Okay. You do the honors siguro. Picture nan? Picture yan sila. Okay.
Okay, what do you say? Pagkain niyo sa pulo, sa isang pinama, ate, kuya. Ano po rin say thank you, ate, thank you, ma'am, and sir.
Sige na ganun ba? Ihatag ka ng drinks pag maglinya, ha? Dawatan.
Thank you. I said thank
It's so small. Yeah, it's so
Amay
cute.
mo nanay. Nirirakan lang ko sila nag-milk naman inis.
Say thank you. Don't forget to say thank you.
Go. Okay, and spot one. Put Lala. No, dua. Go. Okay, tama. Okay, here. Okay, two. Okay, there you go. Go. There you go.
So ito, namigay na ng bigas. Saka mga dilata dyan sa ilalim. Pamasko ba, mga pamasko. Dito sa Mansayaw Elementary School. Oh, sige. Sige, sir. Sige.
Salamat, sir, ha? Salamat, Karazaw.
Magpasalamat.
Oh, dili, salamat sa
Ito yung mga bata, oh. Si Bayani ang bida. Ayaw na pa isuksok ate mahamog pa. Merry Christmas!